Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do a Dastaar tutorial. I have been asked many times to do a gold Dastaar tutorial, so I'm going to do it. And at the moment, I look a bit shambles, but that's okay. I'm going to unravel it quickly and then show you how I tie it, okay? Here, which is 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 meters long, okay? So what I'm going to do is flip my hair forward, get my gear ski the right way around onto my hair like this. Wrap my hair into it. I don't do it too tight, I do it quite loose. That keep twisting. Cover all my hair basically. And then just do like a really flat but secure do-run. Yep. And then, once you've done like one big circle, tuck in the excess. I have a mirror right here, so I might, on the odd occasion, just be looking over there. So, then start opening it and start tying it as a gear ski. So, look, I'm going to pop it into my bunga, and then just kind of keep going around like that, pulling tight so that it's secure. I do tie it quite tight. And then just keep pulling and going round. Obviously this is my messy bit, but it's okay because I'm not walking out the house like this. Okay, now tuck it in. There we go, nice and secure. Make it a tiny bit loose so that it doesn't hurt your head after. And just adjust it how you want it. My Dastaar is actually how many? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5.5. Okay. So gear ski about 3.5. Dastaar about 5.5. So I'm going to start off by, it's ripped in a weird kind of diagonal shape. Mine is. I don't know why. I think it's because sometimes when I finish my Dastaar, I just cut it and I cut it bent. Anyway, what I do, I actually tie a little knot at the back. Right? Some people don't, some people may not, but that's how I do it, and that's how I find it easy. So I can just pull and tug and whatnot and nothing, and it won't move. And then yeah, that's it. Tie a knot, start going around again. So, so we'll do ears out. You do ears out, ears in, but I'm gonna do ears out. There we go. Over the ear, and then neaten before you keep going around. And then the next one, maybe you can do the overlap thing that I did earlier with my gear ski. So the overlap thing, taking it over your head instead of round. Pull back and maybe squash it down. Tuck in here, yeah. Get this one, this lard. This bit of the lard and put it into the other bit, if that makes sense. I think I'm just waffling on that. I'm trying to explain, but I'm really bad at explaining. Anyway, pull again, and a bit higher this time, higher every time. And anyway, so keep going round again, a bit higher again. This lard, maybe you could do the over thing so that it doesn't keep, otherwise it might just look really tall if you don't do the overlap thing. You tuck it in with your right hand low, so that bit. Neaten it, hide it, pull it, and then continue around. I can actually, but you get the gist, it's just for you guys anyway. Yeah, from the ear go up if you want, and it makes this shape like that, or you can just go from the top. I do both. Right. And that's it, and that's how I tie my gauze aside. I made a bit of a mistake, but that's it.